is for the residents of World War and the others are strangers. This public hearing is regarding the plant and has to be for everybody. Public hearing cannot be about clapping of hands and howling at each other too. Madam, we are here today because the problem of garbage has reached a stage of crisis. Over the last 30 years, we have been alerting the government that something has to be done to handle and initiate action to handle the garbage issue. In fact, in 2004-05, I suggested to the then Chief Minister that we should look for an alternate site. But today, we have done enough of talking and the time has come to act.
What was over. Moreover, thousands of tourists and pilgrims visit the historical monuments every day. Having a waste management site within such an area will certainly cause nuisance to the tourists and create a bad image for the state. The old Goa Panchayat in its Gram Sabha meetings in the past, as well as very recently last Sunday, resolved to oppose the landfill and solid waste management site. Please listen to the voice of the people.
Processing unit is excluded for setting up facilities, but it is mandatory outside the project site as no development area for 30 years. No development area can be utilized for agricultural purposes. This is clearly given by Central Pollution Control Board dated 15/4/2019. For 30 years, you cannot do anything. This is gross violation, and I strongly oppose the plant.